Hey Thinksters, and welcome to this video where I want to show you real quick how to union multiple sets in Python. So say you have the following list. It's a list of sets. You see it's indicated by this bracket notation, and as you know, the set is a collection of unique elements, and so there are no duplicates in a set. And now say you want to union all these sets. Okay, so you want to create a set that contains all elements of all the sets in your list of sets. So how do you accomplish this effectively? Of course, you can create a for loop and then simply perform the union operation on two sets iteratively. So in each loop iteration, you like add one new set to the union of sets. But this is not the most Pythonic way, I would say. So the solution is let's print the result directly. To create a new set using the set constructor. So this creates a new set object that is empty initially, and now we call a union function on this set object. So every set object has provides you with a union function, and you can call it. The union function simply incorporates the elements you pass into the union method, and so it incorporates all these elements into your set on which you call it. Okay, so we call it on an empty set. So if we add more and more elements to the empty set, then the set will grow and grow. Okay, and now we want to add all sets as an argument to the union function. So the union function takes one or multiple arguments of iterables, and then simply incorporates all iterables into the set. And so, okay, how can we, like in one call, add all the iterables we have, all the sets we have in our list of sets? Yeah, it's simple. You just use the asterisk operator, the unpacking operator, that unpacks all elements of your outer list, of your list of sets, into the argument list. Okay, so basically the unpacking operator, you can think of it as getting rid of the outer collection type. Okay, so outer collection type here is a list, and so we get rid of this list of these like square brackets and obtain these three elements, and each element is an iterable by itself. Okay, and it's a set. So we simply add all sets in one call. Okay, so it's a very concise one line. It consists only of say 10-12 characters, and it performs the requested operation to union multiple sets in Python. Okay, if you like the video, then subscribe to my Thinkster email list, and see you in the next video. Bye.